Yes, my dear students, today we learn in this class angles and types of angles. See, students, first I'll explain you what is angle, then how we measure it, what are the types of angles. See, this is symbolic way of showing the angle. Angle is distance between two rays originating from same point. Angle is distance between two rays. Here OA and OB are two rays. Just now you have learnt in the previous class you have learnt what are the rays. So the distance between two rays. Yes, distance between two rays. What is the distance here? This is the distance between two rays. How the rays originating from same point. Both the rays should originate from the same point. So the distance between two rays originating from same point is called as angle. An angle is a distance between two rays originating from same point is called as angle. Then how do we measure the angle? Angles will be measured in degrees. Measure of angle measured in degrees. You might have been observed that 60 degree, 40 degree, 90 degree. This degree is nothing but it is a measure. It is a measure of an angle. Now let us see the kinds of angles. See, students, angles will be measured in degrees. I said you know. Yes, my dear students, this is a device. This is a device that is called as a protractor. This protractor is used to measure the degrees. See, students, protractor will be everybody will be having the protractor in your geometrical box. See here. This shows that here 90 degree, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Then 100, 110, 120 up to 180 degree. This is what? This is called as protractor. This is the device we are using to measure the angle. See here students, clearly I will show you. See, this is 90 degree. 100, 110, 120, 130, up to 180 it goes. Then in the same way, when it comes this side, it goes on decreasing. 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, up to 0 it goes. And here see, right side, 90 now, here it goes on decreasing, here it goes on increasing. Then now I will show you. I will just explain you all the types of the angles. Then one or two angles I will show you how to measure with this protractor. Say, first we learn acute angle. The first kind of angle is acute angle. Acute angle. See students, in this acute angle, the angle measured between 0 to 90. 0 to 90. See here. Now 0 to 90. This is 0. This is 90. In between, the angle should not be 90. If it is 90, it is called as right angle. In between these two, then maybe 30, 40, 60. See students. Now 30 degree angle we draw. This is one line segment AB. Now we draw an angle of 30 degree at the point A. Now keep the protractor here, center of the protractor on the point A. Now 30 degree we want, 10, 20, 30. This is 30 degree. So see here. Now this is 30 degree angle. See, this kind of angles are called as acute angle. From 0 to 89 degree, they are called as acute angle. 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 89 degree they are acute angles. If it is 90 degree, what it is? If it is 90 degree, that is called as a right angle. If it is 90 degree, it is called as a right angle. See how to draw that right angle? See, draw a line segment and see now I want 90 degree at this point. This is x and y. Now see 90 degrees here. So now this is 90 degree. See here, if the measure of an angle is exactly 90 degree, that is a right angle. This is right angle. This is acute angle. If it is more than 90, what does it mean? That is obtuse angle. If the angle is more than 90 and less than 180, is called as obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. That is more than see here, see more than 90, less than 180. More than 90 means we will take here 90, 100, 110, 120 we will take. So this is, see, x, y, z. This is 120 degree. This is obtuse angle. See, if the measure of an angle is less than 90 degree is acute angle, exactly 90 degree is right angle, more than 90 and less than 180 is obtuse angle. Okay, if it is exactly 180, what does it? If it is exactly 180 degree, it is called as straight angle. If it is exactly 180 degree, this is exactly how to draw this one. See, line segment. Now 180 degree will go 0 to 90, then 100, 110 up to here. So this is 180 degree. A and this is B. See, if straight angle is exactly 180 degree. If it is more than 180 and less than 360 means what kind of angle it is? That is reflex angle. The next type of angle is reflex angle. Reflex angle. That will be, see here. Now more than 180, less than 360 degree, that is reflex angle. See, this is up to here it is 180. More than 180 means, see here it comes 180, then here 10 means 190, 200, 210, 220. This angle is, see up to here is 180. 190, 200, 210, 220. This is 220 degree. This kind of angle is reflex angle. Suppose if it is 360 degree, what it is? That is complete angle. The sixth kind of or sixth type of angle is complete angle. If it is 360 degree. See here, if you keep the protractor here, this is 180 degree and after keeping here again 180 degree, in this point it is completely 360 degree. This is OA, this is 360 degree and at this point we call it as complete angle. This type, there are 6 kinds of angles are there. Very, very important for the basic. So please children, watch this properly. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.